welcome back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 24 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever it is I decide to officially title this, and we're almost at the end, so maybe it doesn't get an official title. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow. Today I am going to make another patch for my battle jacket. I know I keep making patches and I haven't quite finished my jacket. It's almost done. I just have to finish the front pockets, which I will do soon. Hopefully I should have a little break where I can, do fun projects instead of working. That's one thing that I do love about the end of the year is I do take one day off, usually Christmas Day, and I do fun things. I might do that tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see. So this patch is another patch from the game Life is Strange. It is one of my favorite game series. I don't know really what to say about it. I've loved every single one of them. Some of it's partly anthology, and some of it's a series that follows the same people or similar people in the same circle. And I have loved every character. Well, the main characters anyway. I've loved every main character in different ways. They've all been very special to me as far, as a gamer. You get attached to some of these characters, and I have loved all of them in different ways. And one thing that I do love about these games is it's kind of choose your own adventure style. So with the first original Life is Strange, your character is a character named Max. She is, well, I guess it depends on how you play it. My Max is very interesting and thoughtful and tries her best, basically. So this is the symbol from the game. Max has superpowers, which is really cool. It's a really interesting mechanic in the game. So she can actually rewind time, but not all the time. So when you cannot, in the story, when you get to parts where you cannot rewind, you get this symbol, which I like to call the no going back symbol, because you just, like real life, can't go back. You can't go back and make different choices and try to get a better outcome. In these games, you do have that option where you can try to do better. I mean, at least my play style, I always try to do my best and help the most people if I can. Some games you can't do that, and that kind of sucks, but that's kind of how life is. So this symbol for me is kind of important because this year's been, I don't even know what to call it, a roller coaster. I've had some really amazing experiences this year, and I also had a couple really devastating ones. One of the themes that I noticed for this year is kind of that a lot of things that I was very excited about this year turned out unexpectedly, I guess. What I thought was going to happen isn't at all what actually happened, and in some cases, I feel like these games, I got the bad ending to some of them, and for me, I guess the no going back symbol is kind of like a symbol of acceptance that sometimes things are just like that. I know that's weird. It's towards the end of the year and people start reflecting on the year that they've had. And I would say overall I had a pretty good year. I did some really amazing things. I made new friends. I got to see, my core group. I spent a lot of time with people that I care about. I did lose my soulmate cat Carl this year, which was devastating. But the roller coaster part of this is I did adopt 2 cats that I love very, very much. I adopted Joel and Cordelia, and I am happy that they are with me, that I'm with them. So, I mean, those are kind of the major things that happened. And, I guess that's what this patch is about. It's just about acceptance. Okay, so anyway, that's the patch. That's what I made. Sorry for being too sad today. I appreciate you being here and following along with this series. I had a lot of fun doing this series. I kind of want to do it again next year. So we'll see. We'll see. There's also tomorrow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more. Hit the bell button to be notified when I upload next. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!